Hello everybody! We are in Vendée, a region of France, and we're doing some touring. Today we're going to go visit the Chateau Terre Neuve, located in Fontenay-le-Comte. Okay, I agree, my French is terrible, but you're just going to have to go with it. It was terrible, terrible weather when we were trying to arrive from the parking lot. It was absolutely soaking. But this is a lovely chateau built in the late 16th century for the poet Nicolas Rapin. This chateau is noted for its historical preservation and integration of architectural pieces from other well-known chateaus, such as Chambord. So many people come to France and they just go to the big-name places, fancy chateaus and so on. But if you get off that beaten path, you can find these wonderful little gems, such as this chateau. It actually had been forgotten for many years and sold many times before being purchased by missionaries in 1701. In 1805, the chateau was purchased by Claude Tendron de Vals. But it was Octave de Rochebrune, grandson of Claude, who made the real difference in this chateau. He saw the value in saving architectural salvage from other decaying chateaus. Many of the Renaissance elements that you see, such as the porch, coffers, door frames and vaults, and even the fireplace in the main living room, are from a castle that was partly in ruin prior to the Revolution. As you go through this chateau, you will see many decorative elements that are from the famous Chateau de Chambord. In the 1860s, the owner of Terre Neuve visited Chambord and found many architectural elements being stored in the attic just collecting dust, such as the 13 sun panels from the room of Louis XIV, ornately carved doors showing the insignia of Francois I, and other decorative items. It was quite normal as kings changed that they would pull down the decorations and then just stash them up in the attic. Can you even imagine that? Wow, what a treasure trove. But the owner of Chambord gave the items to the owner of Terre Neuve, which is a blessing, as most items were lost during the War of 1870. Terre Neuve has been occupied by descendants of the same family for over 200 years. Thank you for joining us on our tour of Terre Neuve. We love finding hidden gems when we travel. I will leave information in the show notes in regards to finding this lovely little chateau. Take care, and we will see you next time here on another Vintage Day.